أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ومن قتل مظلوما فقد جعلنا لوليه سلطانا فلا يسرف في القتل إنه كان منصورا.
And do not kill the soul which Allah has made sacred, except in the course of justice. If someone is killed unjustly, we have given his next of kin certain authority. But he should not be excessive in killing, for he will be supported.
ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا بالعهد إن العهد كان مسؤولا.
And do not go near the orphan's property, except with the best of intentions, until he has reached his maturity. And honor your pledge, because the pledge involves responsibility.